CR Techniques is a mobile service where we go to body shops and dealerships and furniture stores and do small on-site repairs. And Chinook Auto Upholstery is a reupholstery division, and it's based out of our shop here in Calgary. We got well known in Calgary for our services. If we needed parts, I would go to the wrecking yards on Saturdays and find parts to finish a job. And I knew Don from Chinook Auto Upholstery very well. So I came down here and asked him to do our sewing for us, and we moved in next door. Don made an offer to me to buy. Within 3 weeks, we had an arrangement, and I took over that company as well. My former business owner in CR Techniques, the former owner of Chinook, both still work for me. I've surrounded myself with some very good talent. People like working here, I believe, because there's a lot of creativity. Everybody brings something to the table here.
It's never the same thing over and over. There's always something new, new materials, new suppliers. When a new product comes out and we have a little meeting and all of our employees get together and show it and design it, and everybody gets all excited because it's almost like a new toy they get to play with and design and see how it works. It's never a dull moment.
My manager, Tyler, his father worked for me for 13 years here. Tyler's become like a second son to mine. He's family.
I've been working at CR Techniques going on to 11 years now. Being here, working on other people's show cars, being involved, it's almost like a dream. Like, I'm here building cars with people, designing it, making their dream come true of how they want it. I'm able to make people's dreams beyond what they actually pictured.
I didn't know how to manage two companies as fast as we were growing, and I needed some help, so that's why I asked for Kevin at Action Edge Business Coaching to come on and to help guide me through.
With Kevin, he was able to give us almost motivation for bigger goals, and like, it's okay to take a little risk here. A little risk here can give you 10 more doors to open up and make it 10 times better. So when I started coaching with Kevin, it was about 5 years ago, I believe, when I started with him. So it gave me a huge opportunity to learn. It gives you that extra kind of confidence and motivation, like you're not the only one.
Going through another business owner through a pandemic when the world was falling apart, and he putting us in touch with other business owners and realized that some people are going to survive in this, and we did. Just to have a sane voice on the other end, keep going, Jamie. You got this. It was nice to have someone in my court.
I'm always looking for a way to expand with Jamie, maybe eventually down the road be business partners with him. Jamie's given me a lot of big opportunities to grow, become a bigger, better person, and being able to look forward into a future.
I believe the future for CR Techniques and Chinook Upholstery is fantastic. I see 5 years of rapid expansion here, and then I might be into retirement. This company will be in a great place to keep going on for generations.